Collaborative brainstorming. Let's round robin. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our English language learning series. Today, we will be focusing on a very interesting and effective strategy for collaborative problem solving, called round-robin brainstorming. This strategy is particularly useful for group study and collaboration. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of what round-robin brainstorming is, how to use it, and why it is effective. So, let's dive in. Round-robin brainstorming is a collaborative problem-solving strategy where each member of a group takes turns to share their ideas, thoughts, or solutions related to a particular problem or topic. Unlike a traditional brainstorming session, where individuals may speak whenever they have an idea, in round-robin brainstorming, participants take turns in a systematic manner. This ensures that everyone has an equal opportunity to contribute, and it helps to avoid the situation where dominant individuals may overshadow others. To use the round-robin brainstorming method, follow these steps. 1. Define the problem. Clearly define the problem or topic that needs to be addressed. 2. Form a group. Form a group of participants. Ideally, this should be a diverse group of people who can bring different perspectives to the table. 3. Explain the rules. Make sure everyone understands the process. Each participant will take turns to share their ideas, and no one should interrupt while another person is speaking. 4. Start the process. Begin the round-robin session. Each participant takes turns to share an idea, thought, or solution related to the problem. It's important to note that during this process, there should be no criticism or evaluation of ideas. 5. Record the ideas. As each participant shares their ideas, make sure to record them. This can be done on a whiteboard, flip chart, or any other visible surface. 6. Review and evaluate. Once all ideas have been shared and recorded, the group can then review and evaluate them to select the most appropriate solutions. Round-robin brainstorming is effective for several reasons. 1. Equal participation. It ensures that every participant has an equal opportunity to share their ideas. 2. Diverse ideas. Because each participant is given the opportunity to contribute, this often results in a wider range of ideas being generated. 3. Structured approach. The structured approach of taking turns helps to keep the discussion organized and focused. 4. Encourages listening. Since participants cannot interrupt and must wait for their turn, this encourages active listening and consideration of others' ideas. 5. Reduces groupthink. Groupthink is a phenomenon where people tend to conform to the opinions or ideas of others in a group. Round-robin brainstorming helps to reduce this tendency by encouraging individual thought and expression. And that wraps up our discussion on round-robin brainstorming. Remember, this is a great tool for collaborative problem solving, especially in a group study setting. It promotes equal participation, encourages a diverse range of ideas, and helps to keep the discussion organized and focused. So the next time you are faced with a problem that requires collaborative problem solving, consider using the round-robin brainstorming method. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy studying and see you in the next video.